right, today's gonna be exciting. Laguna Seca. I think they only made 151 of these. As far as the silver, ingot silver. It's a 2012, and this thing definitely gets raced. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify so you can stay up to date on cool videos like this. Let's check out the engine compartment. What's up, Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Like I said, I'm excited today. 2012 Boss 302 Laguna Seca. So what's the difference between a Laguna Seca and a normal Boss 302 Mustang? There's a handful of items I'm going to tell you that. The Boss 302 itself is only available in 12 and 13. Really cool cars if you've ever driven one. They have an awesome engine. But the Laguna Seca, you get rear seat delete. So that's cool. Of course, in 2012, they have the red accents, like the red roof you see right there. You get some brake cooling ducts. A handful of other items. We install our Paxton Supercharger package. I'm going to show you that in a second because I have Doug with me. Something else we installed in this car are 6 piston Brembos. Doug, come over here and take a look. If you can see it real quick. So we have the 6 piston Brembos on here. This car does see track use, and our client out of New York was wanting some better stopping power. That'll do it right there. But check this out. My favorite color Paxton. We have the black Novi 2200. So here's what you get in our Boss 302 Paxton kit. You get the HO intercooled supercharger package. Of course, this option is black. You can get them in satin or polished. We do Deech work, 95-pound fuel injectors, a fuel pump upgrade, Kohler spark plugs, calibration, a handheld SCT programmer if you don't have one, as well as the awesome JLT air induction system. This car doesn't have Cook's headers. Most of the cars you see us build has them. This has factory exhaust. The car's out of New York. So we also have higher horsepower packages than what you're looking at right here. This is running the factory pulley, but we do have smaller pulleys you can put on this. I'll put links in the description so you can read more about that. If you have more questions as well as how much is that to get installed, as always, you can email quote@brenspeed.com. I'm gonna make a dyno pull, some kind of pump to see what it's gonna make. Like I said, 151 of these made in the silver. So I'm pretty excited to step inside this car right now. Let's go make that dyno pull. All right, so here you have it. It's on our dyno jet, as always rated SAE, 93 octane pump gas. And if you didn't know, all Boss 302s are manual transmission. So rear wheel horsepower, 660 to the tires, all right, SAE. Torque comes in at 468. That's really cool because these cars stock lay down about 400, maybe 4 or 5 to the tires. So really big gain in power. I want to take one more look at the car right here because they are so cool. And it's not that often I'm gonna have a car like this in here because they didn't make a lot of them. They didn't make a lot of the Laguna Secas in general, but like I said, about 150 in the silver right here. Something I was talking about earlier, a handful of other items. These do, what's the difference between a Laguna Seca and a normal Boss 302? I told you a couple things, but there is a little bit of suspension as well. I want to show you this. I talked about the rear seat delete, but there is a really cool brace in the back right here. So check that out. I don't know if you can see it, but I thought it was pretty cool. If you have any questions about this video or about this car, feel free to leave a comment, happy to answer. And then don't forget to subscribe and notify. And if you like this, we do ship these out all over the world, as well as coming in for an install. You can email quote@brenspeed.com. Don't forget the links in the description. Thanks for watching.